Hey folks, new to Jeep but not new to YouTube. I'm going to be installing the UPR Oil Catch Can onto my Rubicon. Box a little bit mangled up, but everything inside looks fine. So let's take a look at what's in here. Catch can itself, here's what it looks like. Let's take a closer look. Opens up. It's just a cup. There is a opening here, it looks like a hex there, that you can probably open and drain, or put some kind of drain. There's the what it looks like, some kind of metal filter in there. This is the mount. Comes with looks like stainless steel Allen button head. It does come with really nice hoses. It's got the pinch clip on there, braided. It's rubber. It's got the aluminum crimps on the ends. Then there's two hoses. One's a little bit longer, one's a little shorter. Comes with a manual, an Allen key for the mount, decals, UPR decals. First thing the manual says is to remove this engine cover, and it's a T30 size screw. It's also a 10mm hex. So you can use 10mm hex. We'll remove these two screws. Pretty easy. Don't lose these screws. There. What we do is just pull on it. The engine cover is held on by the pins here. This is the line. It goes all the way to the down the back here, and then to the back of the engine there, right onto the head, the valve covers. I'm gonna pull on this. There it is. Comes right off. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take this one off too. So you push down on this pin here and just wiggle it off. There it is. We're gonna mount the stand first, Allen, that they supplied. What I would do is I'd probably remove the can from the assembly to make it a little easier. So that's removed, just like so. And then we put in the screw from the bottom. Right here. Snug. You're screwing into aluminum, so there it is. That's pretty sturdy. They give you a longer and a shorter hose. The longer hose is going to loop around. It's going to go around like this. I'm going to route it under the intake plenum. So there's the hose. Clanks to here. Clicks. There it is. Comes around on this side. Basically snap it right on.
The clean side of the catch can is connected to the 45-degree fitting. This is routed under the intake plenum to the other side, where it connects to the intake manifold through another 45-degree fitting. The next thing we do is connect the dirty side of the catch can to the engine valve cover vent. And to do that, we'll use the short line. It has one 45-degree angle fitting, and the other one is a 90. So the 90 goes into the catch can here, runs right over here, right down to the engine. I'm gonna get a flashlight. Here's the PCV valve cover vent. You can see right there, a light, yeah. Then behind it, I already taken off the original hose right there. That's where it was. So we're just gonna press that fitting right in. Now again, I did not remove the old line. The catch can cup can be removed without removing the entire assembly.
But it does come out. There it is. But, so there's plenty of room to take out the cup that's holding it. Now we put back the engine cover. We're done. Here's what it looks like when it's done. Let's see. Again, it's nicely placed there. The hose runs under that engine cover.